Have you ever wondered how solar energy is used in our homes?
Hi, so you may be wondering how solar energy is being used in our homes. So this is a very simple explanation of the connection of solar and inverter system. So we all know it all starts from the solar, which is almost at the top of our house, top of our homes. So energy is being generated from this solar when there is radiation. That is when there is sunlight or sometimes light, and then it produces current which can be positive or negative. It has positive and negative current. So when the positive and negative current is generated from this solar, it goes to the charge controller. The solar charge controller is to stabilize the voltage that will go to this battery. So if you see the connection plus and minus, it goes to the charge controller. This diagram is just the simple diagram, but anyhow the wire went to your house, this is just how it is. So the solar can be two or more, three or more, or even one safe. So you can just be multiple according to what the engineer plan. So from here it goes to the solar charge controller to charge the battery, so stabilize the voltage, because this solar here, when there is high current, this solar charge controller will stabilize the voltage so it will not be too much current that will charge the battery. The battery can be multiple, like I always say, can be multiple. So if it's low, it will also not allow very low current to charge this battery. So from this battery now, it goes to the inverter. Now the inverter is turned DC to AC. This current here is positive and negative, but once this enters the inverter, the output will be live and neutral, which goes to our changeover and our socket, which is our home. Now if you notice, 12, it can be 12 volts, 24 volts, or 48 volts, even 96 volts of the connection of the battery or the battery. So once it picks that voltage, the inverter will turn the DC to AC. Now the AC we use in our homes is 220 volts AC, alternative current. So if you look at our homes, you will see that it's high power. So this, to convert this battery, which is just the DC low power, to convert it, first of all to make it AC, and then step it up to 220 volts, which we use in our home. So this is a very